James Scott Reese Anderson, 24th of May 2002. I was British Army before. 2019 to 2023. 22 Signal Regiment. Just private. I was a signal man. So 1 Signal Brigade, 22 Signal Regiment, 252 Squadron. Okay. So when I left, got fired from my job, I applied on the International Legion webpage. I had just lost everything. I just lost my job. My dad was away in prison. I see it on the TV. It's a stupid idea. Flew to Krakow, Poland from London, Luton. Bus from there to Medica in Poland on the Ukraine border.